This video will show you how to use askGTX to report an issue to the City of Georgetown. First, select Report an Issue. Next, identify the type of issue that you're reporting. Enter a keyword in the field, such as pothole. After selecting the type of issue, click on the appropriate response from your search results. Below the type of issue field, there is a link to a knowledge base article related to the issue you are reporting. For more information on the knowledge base, please review our other videos. Next, you should provide detailed comments regarding the issue. Detailed comments help our city departments resolve the issue. After entering detailed comments, you can upload up to 5 photos or files. For example, upload a picture of a sidewalk in need of repair. Files are helpful, but they are not required. Click Next. Now that you've provided the details, we need to identify the location of the issue. There are 3 options for you to add an address. Option 1. Enter a street address or cross street and select the location from the drop-down list. Option 2. Click Use My Current Location. This option should identify your current location and populate the address in the Issue Location field. Option 3. Click and hold the pen icon and drag it to the location of the issue on the map. Once you have added the issue location, click Next. Finally, enter your contact information and let us know how you would like to be notified about the status of the issue. Providing your contact information is optional. Select your notification preference under Notify Me of Updates. Click Create Request to complete the Report an Issue process, and you will receive confirmation. If you choose to be notified of updates, you will receive a notification when action is taken. If you have questions or need assistance, please reach out to our askGTX ambassadors.